My Cognitech Cloud. How does it work? In this video you will learn how to purchase, log in, and start processing your own images and videos using the forensic tools available to you on My Cognitech Cloud. Step 1. Purchasing access. First, visit our website at www.cognitech.com. Then go to the Cloud Software tab from the menu. Click on Quick Start to get a text version of this video. This text tutorial goes over the same basic steps to getting started with My Cognitech Cloud. Click on Pricing from the website menu. Here you will see the products available for purchase on My Cognitech Cloud. We currently offer 3 products: Video Investigator CORE, Video Investigator PRO, and Forensic Image Authentication FiA 64. You can also switch to the yearly pricing by clicking the toggle button. There are 2 versions of Video Investigator for purchase: CORE and PRO. Both versions of Investigator software have state-of-the-art video investigation tools such as image/video denoising, deblurring of various types of blur, and advanced video zoom. PRO has very advanced tools useful to more advanced end users, such as 3D face fusion registration, frame fusion super resolution, and adaptive deblur. These advanced features require additional training and knowledge. Click the Compare with PRO button to compare the features available in CORE and PRO. In this feature comparison table, the red X notes an unavailable feature in CORE. In this video we will purchase and use Video Investigator CORE. Click Purchase Basic in the Compare Features pop-up, or click Purchase 30 days access on the pricing page. A new web page will open where you can fill out billing information. Fill out your first name, last name, email, and billing address. Here under Credentials Information is where you will be setting up your account credentials. Enter your email again and choose a password. This will be the password you use to log in, so please remember it. We have 3 different payment options. You can use credit card or debit card powered by Stripe. We also offer ACH or bank account direct purchase. And lastly, we offer PayPal Express Checkout. For this example, let's choose credit, debit card and fill out the fields. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click the subscribe button to complete the purchase. After purchasing you will receive 2 emails. The first is a welcome email giving you information on your purchase and helpful links. The second email is very important. It contains your uniquely generated username that is used to log in to My Cognitech Cloud. Step 2. Logging into My Cognitech Cloud. There are 2 ways to log in to My Cognitech Cloud. From the website menu, hover over Cloud Software button. You will see 2 options: Browser Login and Desktop Login. You can also go to the Cloud Overview page to find these buttons. The easiest and most convenient login method is via web browser. Click the web login button. You can learn about connecting via our simple desktop app in another video. You will be taken to a page with text login instructions and warning that logging into My Cognitech Cloud requires an paid and active subscription. Since we already purchased, go ahead and click the blue web login button. This is where you will enter your uniquely generated username. Your email will not work as a valid login. Now type in your password and click Sign In. Warning: do not use the Forgot Password link in this section. If you forget your password for any reason, you can change it or reset it from the Cognitech website. Go to Cloud Software from our menu, and click Cloud Overview. In the row of buttons you will see Forgot Password. You can also scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Forgot Your Password link. Click on it and you will be taken to a page where you can reset your password. Use the email associated with your account to receive an email with password reset instructions. You can also change your pass by clicking the text Password Reset. Fill out your old password and create a new password and click Send. Once logged in, you will have a few different choices. Here you can choose a region to connect to, such as USA or India. You can also connect to the subscription management portal, which you will learn more about in another video. If you are in North or South America, choose USA region. Otherwise, choose India region. It's important to choose the region that is closest to you for the best connection quality and speed. You will see all the offered software tools on My Cognitech Cloud. But you only have access to the ones you are subscribed to. Click on Video Investigator CORE. My Cognitech Cloud will begin loading and preparing your Video Investigator CORE. This takes approximately 2 minutes to start. You will be asked to enter your password again and click Sign In. Now Video Investigator CORE will load up in a few seconds. Step 3. Upload and process your videos. Now it's time to upload a file from your local computer onto My Cognitech Cloud. Click the Open File button. As you can see, we don't have any files to work with yet. Click the My Files button on the top of the screen. Click the Temporary Files folder. This panel is how you control uploading and downloading files securely on My Cognitech Cloud. Click Upload Files. Browse your local computer for the file you want to upload. Select it and click Open. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Our file is now uploaded to My Cognitech Cloud. Close My Files by clicking the small X on the top right of the panel. Now Investigator can see our file. Click on the file to select it. If you want, you can preview the file before opening it by checking the preview box. Now click Open. Our image is very large and we can't see it all. Let's use the Zoom tool to shrink it for easier viewing. Click Zoom tool on the left, then click Zoom out. Click on the image a few times. Great, now we can see the whole image. You can also use your middle mouse wheel to zoom in and out on an image. This image has a substantial blur. Let's run our core deblur filter. From the Filters menu, choose Deblur, then Wiener Filter. This is the active interface from which you can change various parameters. You can learn more about the active interface in another video. In Wiener Filter we have many fundamental deblurring techniques, including Gaussian, motion, defocus, and diffraction. For this example we will use the custom deblur. Click Browse. We already created a custom kernel file which we will use. You can learn more about custom kernels in another video. Our active interface will automatically begin generating a preview on screen for us to view. When it's finished, the active button will turn from red to blue. We can now see that this is a $1 bill. We can also compare it to the original by clicking on the original button. The result of the custom deblur is good, so hit Process. Now that the processing is done, click Finish. Time to save our result. Click Save File. By default, Investigator will save to the work folder, but we are already done processing. Save it instead to the temporary files folder. You can save the file in many different file types. However, because this is an image that we want to present or share, let's save it as a JPEG. Name the file and click Save. Now it's time to download the file back to our local computer. Click the My Files button. Click on Temporary Files. To download our file, click on the down arrow on the right and select Download. The file will be downloaded using your normal web browser's file download system. We are using Chrome in this example, so it appears at the bottom of the screen. Here is our file on our local computer. One last step, let's log out. Click the user icon on the top right. Then select End Session. Click End Session to confirm you want to log out. Please note, for the security of your data, logging out will permanently delete any uploaded or created files on My Cognitech Cloud. Please download any work onto your local computer before you end your session. To get started and learn how to use our software interface for real-world examples, go to our website and check out the interactive tutorials which provide a hands-on approach. For full operational instructions, please refer to our online manual by clicking Help in the software menu. Note, users of Cognitech software are assumed to have a prior knowledge of working with digital images. All done. You now have 30 days of access to My Cognitech Cloud. Thank you, and contact us if you have any questions about using My Cognitech Cloud or Cognitech software.